Kale Nutrition Facts Explained. Kale, a leafy green vegetable, has gained considerable popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits and versatile nature. So let's explore the nutrition facts of kale, shedding light on why it is considered a superfood and how it can contribute to a balanced and healthy diet. To begin with, kale is extremely low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to shed some pounds. 1 cup of raw kale only contains about 33 calories, making it a guilt-free addition to any meal. Furthermore, kale is packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to keep the body feeling satiated for longer periods. In addition to being low in calories, kale is also rich in vitamins and minerals. It is particularly high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Consuming just 1 cup of kale provides over 700% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K. Kale is also an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for the immune system, wound healing, and collagen production. Moreover, kale contains significant amounts of other essential vitamins, such as vitamins A and B6, as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients support overall health and are necessary for various bodily functions, including proper cell function, nerve conduction, and maintaining healthy bones. Apart from its nutrient profile, kale is also known for its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help to fight against free radicals in the body, which can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. By consuming kale regularly, individuals can boost their antioxidant intake and reduce the risk of developing these health conditions. Another remarkable attribute of kale is its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of diseases, including diabetes and arthritis. The high levels of omega-3 fatty acids in kale, along with other compounds like glucosinolates, help to reduce inflammation and promote overall health and well-being. Furthermore, kale is an excellent source of plant-based iron, making it an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans, or even those with iron deficiencies. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells and for transporting oxygen throughout the body, promoting energy levels, and preventing fatigue. In conclusion, the nutrition facts of kale showcase its status as a true superfood. It is low in calories, but high in essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Including kale in one's diet can contribute to weight management, support a robust immune system, aid in digestion, and promote overall health. With its versatility, whether enjoyed raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked in various dishes, kale offers a simple and delicious way to improve one's diet and reap the numerous health benefits it offers. I hope this information on kale's nutritional facts was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics on kale, kale diet, kale recipes, kale smoothies, and kale healthy eating, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's start to change our eating habits for a healthy life.